Right, fantastic. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Really appreciate that. I can see you've been extremely busy this morning, so please kindly tell us about your involvement with PropTech today.
Hi, my name's Grainger. I'm European CEO for JLL. I'm speaking at the main conference and we're involved with Seed Camp on a venture called Concrete. I'm very engaged with the PropTech sector.
Fantastic. I've spoken to a lot of people here, sir, this morning, and a lot of people talk about innovation, they talk about solutions, they talk about transparency. But according to your expertise, what do you feel really PropTech brings to the platform in an event like this?
It's all about the customer, and property can be a difficult place to navigate for customers, whether you're an individual, whether you're an occupier or an investor. It's about the people you know, and all of a sudden data is becoming more freely available and the customer experience can get a lot better. And so PropTech brings a far smoother and quicker experience for the customer.
I spoke to quite a few people, like I'm reiterating again this morning. So how do you feel the smaller, sort of small to medium-sized firms can sort of benefit from PropTech and all these solutions that people are demonstrating today?
Well, I think a lot of companies are realizing pretty quickly that they can't do everything themselves. Actually, innovating in itself needs a lot of agility, a lot of testing and failure, and many companies don't necessarily have either the skills, the people or the time to invest in that. So partnering up with PropTech or actually getting more involved and having more engagement with it is a really important part of progressing and evolving in the modern world.
Would you agree that when you speak to many successful estate agents and businesses, they all say that it's the prominent factor is the one that goes over and above for his client? Would you care to elaborate on that?
Yeah, that's absolutely true. But I think a lot of agents know what they know. And actually, technology is coming forward with some new solutions, some new business models, some new ways of working. And it's really important to explore those to see if actually there's a way that we haven't explored, a way that we don't know, that provides a better customer experience. So I think being curious is a valuable commodity in today's world.
Absolutely. I've had a chap who's an exhibitor who just came to me earlier with a 3D dimensional sort of cinema scope-ish presentation where they can see an absolute 3D representation of a property. So fantastic. I can see that coming through with the exhibitors. So what's the one sort of thing, according to you, in terms of solution, do you think that really is a standout sort of quality, that is a standout product or solution that is coming out from PropTech?
Okay, so one of the biggest trends which is moving very fast at the moment is around the workplace, offices, which are incredibly badly utilized at the moment. If you think about nearly every office building is only utilized up to 50% of its capacity during a working week. I mean, that's disgraceful. And there's some great technology coming forward which enables you to use buildings far more efficiently and provide the people in buildings, the workers, with a much better experience. And isn't it interesting that it's technology that can enable that, not just human interaction? And there's quite a bit of innovation around that, and I find that really exciting.
I totally agree. I've seen those ideas and all these brochures with these new offices and these new opportunities. Fantastic. One word, sir, to describe your PropTech experience today, or generally, you've been coming here for a few years?
Yeah.
Okay. So one word or a few words that would describe your PropTech experience.
It's big. People shouldn't underestimate how big and how influential PropTech is. So I think it will be impactful over the next 5 years.
And the future of PropTech, where do you think they're heading?
Some will fail, but those that will succeed will create new structural change for the industry.
Fantastic, sir. Absolute pleasure. Thank you for your time. And that was really, really insightful. Absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.